Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A speculative idea that would redefine the height of luxury overland travel. The 2026 Range Rover Hercules Motorhome would be known as the ultimate road titan. This concept car imagines a revolutionary combination of Range Rover's renowned off-road prowess and unmatched luxury, scaled to the enormous size and independence of a super-motorhome. Not only would it carry its passengers, but it would also function as a luxurious mobile command center that could travel over the world's most difficult terrains in the utmost comfort. When viewed from the outside, the 2026 Range Rover Hercules Motorhome would instantly project its enormous size while retaining a distinctive Range Rover design. On a far larger scale, the design would effortlessly include the marque's recognizable grille, elegant LED lighting characteristics, and floating roofline. The name Hercules implies a strong, muscular attitude, a powerful wheel and tire package built for tough off-road situations, and noticeably more ground clearance. To control airflow around such a massive vehicle, sophisticated, possibly adaptive aerodynamic components would probably be used, which would increase efficiency and stability. With the luxurious finish that one would expect from a Range Rover, protective skid plates, strengthened bumpers, and integrated recovery points would all allude to its formidable capabilities. In order to provide both elegance and resilience, the exterior would be composed of high-quality, long-lasting materials, perhaps including lightweight composites and scratch-resistant coatings. Entering the 2026 Range Rover Hercules Motorhome would be like entering a very luxurious mobile home. With meticulous attention to detail, the interior design would be the epitome of custom British luxury. The best materials would be used to decorate every surface, including polished aluminum, open-pore wood veneers, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather, and perhaps even embedded crystal embellishments. The design would be very adaptable, with large living spaces that could be transformed into a formal dining area, a laid-back lounge, or a fully furnished mobile office to accommodate different demands. The kitchen would be a gourmet culinary station with plenty of space for preparation and top-notch, specially integrated appliances. With a king-sized bed, ample wardrobe space, and an extravagant en-suite bathroom with a spacious walk-in shower and luxury fixtures, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. Its multi-occupant elegance would be enhanced by additional private spaces with facilities for visitors or employees. The Hercules Motorhome would be a technological marvel of integration. All onboard features, including entertainment, climate control, ambient lighting, and sophisticated navigation with real-time terrain mapping, would be managed by an easy-to-use infotainment and vehicle management system that is probably controlled by a number of huge touchscreens and voice commands. Strong cellular boosters and multiband satellite internet would provide complete connectivity. Long-term autonomy would be ensured by self-sufficient power generation that included large solar panels, banks of high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, and possibly a quiet, highly efficient diesel generator. Systems for recycling and purifying water would further improve its capacity to function autonomously in isolated areas. The Hercules Motorhome would be constructed on a sturdy, specially designed chassis that would probably integrate Range Rover's cutting-edge all-terrain technologies beneath its opulent exterior, and clever four-wheel drive system with several terrain response modes, a highly advanced air suspension system with remarkable articulation and ride comfort on every surface, and sturdy driveline parts made for heavy loads and extended trips are all examples of this. With its unrivaled blend of opulent elegance, tremendous power, and unwavering self-sufficiency, the Road Titan would not only travel roads, it would rule them. It would be the ultimate mobile fortress for the most discriminating adventurers on the planet.